Hi everyone, welcome back to Hiring Mentor. So in previous video, we were discussing about what are the job trends nowadays, at least till 2025, so that when you will be choosing a particular sector to work in, you have complete idea about that particular sector, that not only it is prospering, also it provides you job security with high amount of salary. Now yesterday or the day before yesterday, we came up with YouTube and marketing roles at the most finest job trends. Now, in today's video or in today's lecture, we will be discussing about business development and other business related financial roles. Now, Saujanya will obviously be discussing about this. So, Saujanya, can you tell us something about business development and sales role, and what are the prospect in future with some data or facts?
Yeah, sure, definitely. Well, we all know that everyday activities that goes on in the market or that goes on in the companies related to the business, because the main intention of the companies is to make profit. So there are many business organizations out there. So the people who have completed their graduation in that business particular field, then definitely they can be in good roles. Now I will tell you the roles that you can work which has high reputation. Well, in business development and sales roles, we have business development associate, sales team lead, and strategic advisor. So these are the roles that falls under this category. And in the second thing, specialized engineering roles, we have network expert, software engineer, specialist, and bank end developer. So this is related to the engineer. So the people who have pursued their graduation, information technology, or who have completed their bachelor of technology or the masters of technology, they can be placed in these kind of roles which has high reputation and offers good salary packages to the people.
Okay, I understand. So people who are aspiring to do business or a new startup can get inspiration from this. So obviously, if you are planning to do a startup now, if you have watched our budget video, then you can definitely watch that. It's there in the description box. And I think the government of India has provided new funds for the startup. So business development is also a good idea. Now let's come to engineering roles. Now engineering, as we all know, there are lakhs of aspirants who are trying to get into JEE Advanced and IIT and good reputed institution to do their BTech. We all know that this is one of those prospering professional course which not only gives you employment but also provides high salary package if you get through a good company. Now, Saujanya, can you please describe about what name of the top-notch companies and about the other posts like software engineering, and which branch of engineering is in more prosperous in the next coming few years, at least till 2025?
Yeah, sure. Like mostly software companies will recruit more people than the hardware companies. Well, there are many kind of companies, as you all know, like HCL or Google, Amazon, and Infosys. Like these are the top companies where they are recruiting candidates who have completed their graduation these days. And these companies like Amazon, Flipkart, or it may be Infosys or HCL or HP. So these companies has higher reputation, and they offer good jobs with good salary packages, and the working environment will be quite good, as you all know, because many of the people have heard about these companies, and they're establishing their companies in different cities across our country, India. So this is about it.
Okay, now next we will be discussing about healthcare roles. Now healthcare, as we have all seen during the pandemic, that doctors are real god, and when it comes to helping others, when it comes to the word real heroes, our healthcare services or our healthcare staffs are those who act like real gods. So can you talk about, now talking about profession, Saujanya will be discussing about healthcare roles, and she will be also discussing about human resource roles as well.
Yeah, sure. I think we all have known about the importance of the healthcare in the year 2020 as this pandemic situation has started. So there are some roles that comes under this, that is medical officer and psychologist, which are considered as high reputation jobs and which offers good salary packages. And the people who are, working like a medical officer or a psychologist in any field, they have good name in the society and the good reputation as well. So, these are the two important roles that falls falls under this category, that is healthcare. There are many vacancies for the nurses as well and doctors especially, because we lack in this healthcare department. There are many vacancies of these two, like we need more doctors and we need more nurses in order to take care of the patients. Well, in this 2021 you can find vacancies in these two things, but being particular to the roles, these two roles are very famous because psychologists are needed in each and every department. It can be education department as well. Psychology is nothing but the study of human mindsets and about the individuals. So coming to the human resource roles is just related to the marketing as well. Well, the main role of the human resource manager is to recruit people who has good qualifications. So human resources roles are the human resources generalist, human resources assistant, and human resources coordinator. So these are the roles that falls under this category. So this is about it.
Okay, now next we have designer roles. Now design, as you all know that BTech in design, or even if you do a normal graduation in design, especially fashion designing is very upcoming. Now talking about posts like user experience designer or interface designer, we will also look about the what are the heights in these particular posts and for other customer services roles as well.
Yeah, sure. We all have heard about the designer roles, like the people who belongs to the field, they create unique kind of work. Not only designers belong to one particular field, it includes other fields as well. Like the people who have some kind of designation that is related to the designing, they even develop some websites as well, and they even develop websites or blogs, that has unique content from them. So in this user experience designer roles, we have some certain roles that falls under this category, that is user experience designer, user interface designer. Well, in technology side as well, we need more designers in order to create some websites or in order to create some blogs which provides so much of information to the people. So this is about the user experience designer roles.
Yeah, and what about the other customer services roles?
Yeah, sure. Well, in customer service roles, there is a role which has quite good name and has good reputation. That is customer service specialist. Well, if a candidate want to aspire to do a job like to be in this role, definitely he can if he has a particular qualification. Because this roles, it gives people good salary packages, and also this name is considered the most. And so this is about the customer service roles. Well, in private sector, this role has important field. This role is considered as the important factor, in order to provide services to the people, like in a management that is related to the call services like that. So this is about it.
Okay. So I think people who are aspiring to work in this particular sectors, they have really been encouraged and they have known a lot about this. Now, next we have a lot of other sectors such as financial role or educational role. Now, financial role, we will be talking about educating trader or analyst, and in educational role, we will be talking about what are the scopes there in schools, because we all know that unemployment in teacher has also occurred in a lot in few states of India. So we will be talking about not only teaching staffs but also administration, curriculum developer, and artificial intelligence role, which is also very upcoming as it is known. And we will be discussing about artificial intelligence specialist and machine learning engineering and etc. as well.
Yeah, sure. Let me describe you this as a brief. In finance roles, we have equity trader, regulatory compliance analyst, and treasurer. So the people who want to pursue graduation like MBA, they can choose this field because many roles comes under this, which has good name in our country and are considered as the latest jobs as well. So in the educational roles, we have academic advisor, admissions officer, curriculum developer. As we all know, education plays an important role in each and every country, and there will be many job vacancies, and many roles are considered as the reputative one in this kind of field. And coming to this artificial intelligence roles, as it is related to the information technology, which is completely related to the technology field. Well, it has some certain roles like machine learning specialist, artificial intelligence specialist, and machine learning engineer. Well, this one is kind of related to the hardware, because the people who have completed their graduation in respective field, they will be dealing with the manufacturing. Like most of the students will, will be placed in any of the manufacturing factories, like they design cars or they manufacture something that is very useful. So these roles comes under this kind of category, but as a whole it is covered in the artificial intelligence process.
Okay, okay. So I think that is very fruitful, and artificial intelligence roles are I prefer to be more upcoming. So you can choose your educational qualification like that as well. Now, last, I think we have come to the end of this video. In closing, we will be discussing about few other like cyber security roles. We all know that we have stepped into a digital world where every step we move forward, we cannot do that without any digital platform, computers, etc. And in this type of situation, it is very important that your crucial information stays secured and is not falling in any trap or any trap of any cyberbully. So Saujanya, I think for this cyberbully specialist and other researcher are very much in demand. You can either try this, or you can also talk about getting into government side, government sectors, like working as a cybersecurity government agent or anything else. Rest Saujanya will be discussing, and also we will be discussing about data science role. Data science is also like artificial intelligence. It is very emerging. So what do you say about
Yeah,
this?
yeah, sure. Let me cover this slide as a brief e-commerce role. We know that, e-commerce trading is very famous, like Amazon or Flipkart. Most of the people are preferring online services, which includes under this, like most of the, facilities will be available in online. So this falls under this category. In this, there are some certain roles that are famous and are very considered as latest and trendy. That is online specialist and e-commerce coordinator. And coming to the next field, that is cyber security roles. I think in one of the previous videos that we have defined about what is meant by cyber security. Well, cyber security plays an important role in protecting the data that is stored in companies from hackers or from anonymous people who hack. So cyber security, we have some roles here, that is security researcher, cyber security specialist. Well, cyber security specialist will deal with the protection of data that is stored, like he mostly plays an important role in protecting the information without being retrieved by the hackers across the world. He takes care about all these things. So coming to the second thing, that is data science roles, as it is related to the data science. It has some roles such as data science specialist, analytics consultant, and the consultant analyst. So these are the roles that comes under this. Actually, these are the roles that are covered basing on the online thing, basing on the technology field. Well, it has nothing to do with the business or the management, because it is only related to the technology wise.
Okay, okay. So I think that was really fruitful, and we shared a lot of informative and crucial information as well. So I hope guys you really liked it. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to Hiring Mentor. If you're seeking for any job, you can refer to the links of our channel or website below. We help people in every way possible. So thank you for watching. Please hit on the like button if you have liked this video. Leave us a comment below that what next topic you want us to make a video about, and please share this video as much as possible and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Thank you all. See you all. Have a nice day.